So when you talk about Shatabhisha Nakshatra, you explain it with the help of a symbol, that is this empty circle. So the empty circle here has a lot to do with the karma, because Shatabhisha lies in the heart of the Aquarius, and the sign of Aquarius is the Mulatrikona house of Saturn. Mulatrikona house is the duty performing house of the Saturn. What is the duty of Saturn? Saturn is the karma karaka. That's why is the owner of the sign Capricorn, and then it is also the owner of the sign Aquarius, which is the natural 11th house in the zodiac. So Aries is the first sign and Aquarius is the 11th sign where you get the results or the fruits of your karma. So Saturn is responsible to provide the results of your karma. And so the circle is actually representing whatever you do. So based on that, Saturn is going to give the results. So the karma follows. So even the Pancha Mahabhutas, if you observe, the wind follows the circular path, right? And also, whatever you do, you relate something related to karma that follows a circular path. So the circular path also represents a kind of magical charm. A magical charm is nothing but a maya, a materialistic world, because Rahu, which is the owner of the nakshatra Shatabhisha, basically related to the materialistic world and the Maya world, the world of Maya, right? So the world of Maya can also be represented with a magical charm. So the symbolism of Shatabhisha can be empty circle. Also, Shatabhisha's energy is very much famous for secrets and the ability to conceal secrets, right? So that is also a representation. So the circle basically represents something like hiding something, right? So basically this particular empty circle symbolism of Shatabhisha represents the magical charm, or it is also a representation of infinite void of creation. It is also the symbolism of creation, maintenance, and then dissolution. So everything happens in circular path. And it is mainly related to the sign of Aquarius, right? So Aquarius is the duty performing house of Saturn, right? So when Saturn gives fruits of your karma, he checks your whole karma cycle, right? So that is where the symbolism fits in. So the circle is it can be circle of life. It can be the circle of a creation, maintenance, and the dissolution, right? And the universe follows this circular path in so many things. So the power of world always shown up in the form of circles. Everything tries to be round. The universe loves the circle, right? Even the earth, to an extent, it is circular. So when a wind is showing its greatest power, it follows that circular path. Pancha Mahabhutas are very much related to this particular circular path. And these universal ideas, if you keep aside, a circle also suggests an idea of containment or idea of circulation. It's an idea of protection, idea of hiding. So circle can also act as a boundary and protect one from the dangers outside the circumference. So it can be a representation of protection, right? So a circle can conceal or hide the things, hide the secrets. So Shatabhisha Nakshatra is very much related with secrets and the ability to conceal the secrets. A circle can segregate something from some other thing. Let us say an ocean. An ocean, if you see a circular, if you can represent this ocean in a circular path, so this circular path is basically separating the ocean from the earth, right? So circle is also the representation of segregation. So a shoreline separates the ocean from the land. and thus allows its own identity. So this particular nakshatra is related to all enclosed water bodies. Keep in mind, it represents the energy of enclosed bodies like oceans and ponds, but it doesn't represent rivers, because rivers flow from one place to another. Rivers are not enclosed on all sides. In the same way, the idea of containment can be seen in our own beings, as a physical body houses and offers protection to the soul or the astral body. Right? So the idea of protection, idea of hiding, idea of concealing something is always present here. Idea of hiding the secrets. Hiding the secrets, this is a primary energy you can find in the Shatabhisha. So whenever you talk about Shatabhisha, you need to talk about hiding the secrets. There's a fundamental energy. And this nakshatra is a lot to do with the protection. So a protection can be seen as a symbolism with the help of as empty circular symbolism. You can also see this particular symbolism, the empty circle symbolism. If you find the epic Ramayana, Lakshmana drew a circular path around the hut where Sita is living when he is trying to go find Rama, right? So that is also in the circular path, that particular line drew by Lakshmana. So that is the magical containment and protection, right? So the containment and the protection symbolism. So basically Shatabhisha means a symbolism of protection. It is also symbolism for hiding the secrets, symbolism of segregation, and in the universal scheme of things it represents everything comes back, and it is also presenting the magical charm, the Maya, right? That is the Shatabhisha world.